Hey guys, welcome back. And today I have German elite troops from COBI. COBI is a Polish company that makes military bricks, mostly. So we have a historical collection set of 3 figures: Afrika Korps, Fallschirmjäger, and Winter Ski Soldier. First thing is worth to notice that you can see on the box part of a Nazi flag. That's cool. That's a cool feature. Why they didn't want to put whole flag, I don't know. So, and here we have collect them all. So we have the whole squad of Afrika Corps, American Airborne Division, Warsaw Uprising, and Red Army Winter. So definitely gotta get them all. Let's open it up. Okay, so our set is just this package. So let's assemble them. All right. So first we have a German paratrooper. I like the face expression. COBI used to make smile expression of the face of the soldiers, so they decided to make them more realistic, so as they used to be, afraid, angry. So this guy is definitely afraid of something. So shortly about German paratroopers. They were formed by Luftwaffe, I guess. I don't know, maybe I'm not correct. Say it in the comment. So this characteristic helmet of the German paratrooper. And a rifle he's carrying is a Kar 98. And that's a nice job. So you can see all the mechanism here. The bolt action. I like that. Uniform. It's also made very well. We have the pouches, belts, nothing on the back, but it should be. All right, let's get to another. Oh, and the figures comes also with the stand. All right, another guy is my favorite. That's a Afrika Korps soldier. So Afrika Korps, they were formed to fight in Africa, of course, with British forces. So he have a vest, backpack. I have no idea what is this. What is he carrying there? Maybe you know. Write it in the comment. And he comes with the MP40, a stick grenade. That's also a very good job. And the last guy is very interesting. The winter mountain soldier, ski trooper, formed by Waffen SS with a Kar 98 with scope on his back. So he have this belt. That's nice. And the uniform. So that's a really nice set of figures. Definitely gonna buy another set. So that's all. Oh, of course you get something like this, a fireplace. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.